Pixelfed app honest review. Is it better than Instagram? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you an honest review of Pixelfed and compare it with Instagram to help you decide which one is better. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is Pixelfed is an open source, ad-free and privacy-focused photo sharing platform. Over here, it follows a chronological feed with no tracking or algorithm-based suggestions. After that, let's talk about Instagram. Over here, it is a feature-rich social media platform with advanced filters, reels, stories, and direct messaging. However, it is ad-driven and collects user data for recommendations. Then, let's go over which one to choose. Over here. Pick Pixel if you want a privacy-friendly, ad-free platform with full content control. Choose Instagram if you prefer more features, influencer tools, and a larger audience. So that's the honest review of Pixel versus Instagram. That's all for this video.